Yo,
Yo,
what's
what's
up?
up? Okay, so now we are in Art Center in Denpasar. So normally in June or July is normally like a art festival in the art center, but unfortunately because of this current situation, last time Mr. President just opened the art festival by online. So normally, like previous year when normal time, it's busy with the art
Very busy.
shows, art exhibition, and then every single thing. So now let's see how it is now.
How is it inside? Alright, so this is the entrance and that's how it look like. And here's supposed to be like a arena, right?
This one's supposed to be open stage.
Open
Normally
stage.
like Balinese performance art.
Balinese
Something like
performance
that.
art. But at this moment is nothing is here. And here is the Anova stage. This is actually reminds like a temple, Balinese temple.
That's the gate actually. There inside is just like a big ballroom, so where they have a meeting, like a big bioscope or something like that ballroom inside.
And here is the Garuda, and there is the huge stage. We will go there also, but first of all, we're gonna show you how does it look. Everywhere actually is here stage. Some kids play. Yo, what's up? Some kids playing. There are some warungs. And here we go. We arrive, and this is the huge stage here. But unfortunately, it's no any kind of performance right now. But as you can imagine, this stage is really huge.
Exactly when it was 2007, I was there, performed when I was Jegek Tabanan 2007. So Jegek Tabanan is just like tourism ambassador. So if you have ever heard like Abang None Jakarta, Uda Uni from Sumatera Barat, Raka-Raki from Malang or something like that, it's just like a tourism ambassador. Yes, I was like that before. This is the picture. It's totally different, right?
Are you sure that is
Yeah, it was me. No, that was me in 2007. Exactly there. I was perform and then with thousands of people watching me, and then it's just like beauty pageant, and then they interviewed me, giving me question. It's just like like Miss Universe contest or something like that. So yeah.
So as you see, this art center is very big and it's quite impressive stage and everything. Unfortunately, during the current conditions, already second year, is not much performance. There are some on the specific time and special decorations, but not like usually. Usually it was so busy, like all the times, every single day, all the time was so performances, honey.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, not now. We're gonna show you now
Let's
some sort
see
of
the exhibition inside.
exhibition. Alright, we will see what is inside. Looks nice. I mean, we just entered, but looks nice. Hello, how are you? Oh, that's very beautiful, I have to say. You're welcome. It's okay if I make a video, yeah? Okay, thank you. I'm from Poland.
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 Poland, yeah. Yeah.
Can you photo with me? Yeah.
Photo? Yeah. Okay, no problem. Alright, and also here is so many clothes and anything, everything what is belongs to Bali culture, yeah. Bali clothes, Bali food, many Bali things. Unfortunately, not so busy, but very nice indeed. If you're interested about having nice kabaya like this one, for example, for the ladies.
So this art festival is held every once a year. So yeah, normally in June or July. So nice, look at this one.
Which one? Alright. This is the offerings things. Many nice things. And here decoration for the temple, for the praying. Yes. Just looking? All right, no problem. Yes, promotion for Bali, always already collecting some business cards. All right. Thank you so much.
This is what like a traditional Balinese clothes look like. It's called songket.
Songket.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Check this out, this material.
Look, this one. This one is udang. So for the man, you have to put it on the head. So we'll put the man heads later on. Oh, you look so ganteng, eh?
Yeah, but blue one, I don't know. But yeah, very nice.
Nice. Very nice. Let's go.
So as you see, is so many beautiful things. Also, everyone they are very happy as we come here make a vlog because of obviously this is the promotion for the Bali, right? For the Bali, not for the any business because this is like found by government. So very nice. Obviously, everybody are very friendly. And we will see what is outside this building. Another room, and here you can get yourself the crown. For example, if you're getting married, the lady will wear something like this. This is beautiful, and this is like a 5 kilos or gold, real gold.
Like what Damian told you, if you get married, you're normally wearing this. It's called Payas Agung. It's so heavy.
But it's not real gold.
Yeah, let's go.
So as you can see, so many things over here. Ladies, beautiful materials. Also, I would like to show you this one. For example, this is all handmade, which is really cool. My mom probably will love it. And also, these decorations are really cool, really nice. And yeah, so many decorations, very nice. And also some knives here. Check this out of the level of the details here. And also this one, this is like a ceremonial knives. They are for priests or pecalang, like a Balinese people. This is not like for bad things. This is the ritual knives actually, which is really cool. Or check this out, this one for example.
Hello, welcome to my Chris Bali.
Bali, yes, beautiful knives, my friend.
Yeah, he will explain you. What is it?
I will show you about my Chris.
Oh,
This is Chris Ponari dancing
oh for
in
dancing.
here for dancing.
Nice. So
Okay.
basically, that Chris is a kind of a Balinese weapon. Balinese weapon that you can use for the ceremony, Balinese ceremony, for dancing. So yeah, there are many types of Balinese weapon, Chris here. I just
Okay.
little bit stay away. So this
This
one.
is my Chris.
Oh my goodness. Can you show how much is it?
What is it?
5 million.
5 million.
But very nice.
Nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
The name of Chris is Pamor. Pamor Chris.
Nice. So nice.
So beautiful.
Just be careful with that. But check this out. This one is just 30 million. But it's beautiful, isn't it? You have to agree with me. So many nice collection from this young boy.
All right. So this one is a Balinese traditional coin. As you see, like this coin.
Fungsinya untuk penjaga diri.
Oh, this one untuk penjaga diri. Oh, okay. So he said that the function is to protect yourself. Maybe this one could protect myself from the thief or something.
Yeah. Can I have a look? So this is actually not very quite heavy coin.
Yeah, it's made of the metal.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Okay, here is some warung actually, and here is the bottom floor of the stage, and some kids around actually also. So the stage is quite impressive, big, and quite nice. I'm really sorry, yes, it's no any performance. Will be nice to see something, but and here we go. This is the another part of the art center.
This is so sad actually. Normally when art festival time, it was, you know, packed of people. Even I remember that last time in 2007, even my parents when attended me, when watch me perform, they couldn't get any park. But now there is no performance. Let's see inside.
Here is very nice. Also the praying place, some like small temple with the lotus pond. Looks very nice. Little bit like a smaller version of Pura Saraswati in Ubud. Something like that.
Alright, so right behind me, these stairs normally used by people to make a pre-wedding photo session, like.
And here you go. Here is the another exhibition. We will see how does it look inside. And here we go. This is the another place. Ooh, nice. Very nice barongs. Very nice. That's the very cultural Balinese thing. And one more exhibition center. We will see what is here. I see there are paintings here actually. Abstract pictures. Mr. President here. Interesting. So many paintings. This one, for example, looks actually pretty impressive. All of them are impressive. Portraits. Yeah. Also, this one here is quite nice. Beautiful. This is actually fresh. Looks pretty cool. Pretty nice.
Very nice.
Very nice. Good.
Okay, so just on this side is a Balinese culinary shop. Like the stalls of Balinese culinary.
Alright, so that's how it looks, the art center in Denpasar, in Bali obviously, if you don't know.
Okay, I think that's all our video today, guys. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, as always. See ya, take care.